When I started Vosges Haut-Chocolate 19 years ago, I was really dedicated to finding exceptional ingredients around the world to put into my chocolate. I heard about a farm in Kauai, and they were growing ginger and turmeric. I knew I had to get on a plane. Jenna and Doug own this amazing herbal pharmacy, and they showed me everything that they were farming.
So we are standing in a patch of turmeric or turmeric, whatever you want to call it, and this is ready to harvest?
This is ready to harvest. Everyone on Kauai right now is digging.
You see it much in Hawaiian cooking then?
You do, yeah, for sure. And it's a root that in Hawaiian medicine that goes back for quite some time.
All right, let's make something with this. This
Cool.
is beautiful. I mean, this is as fresh as you can get.
So Jenna showed me how she makes her version of golden milk, and it was different than I'd ever seen before. When I came back from Kauai, I was just really inspired to use these healthy roots and herbs and plants. I came up with the cocktail recipe because I thought to myself, okay, how can I spice up the golden milk and have it for a cocktail party? One of the most important things to bring out the oils in the spices is to toast them, and I trust that the Thermador range is going to have that control so I won't have any hot spots and they won't burn my spices. So I put the golden milk in the fridge and keep it cold so that when guests come over, I can quickly have a really exotic and interesting cocktail. I'm super inspired by ginger and turmeric, and I can't wait to see where it's going to take me next. Moments worth living are moments worth sharing. Share your exceptional culinary moment with Thermador.